Rating my coding projects this semester as someone who has never coded before. This was the first code we made while following the teacher. I found the instant visual feedback intuitive and a lot better than just your regular console log hello world. So 6 out of 10. Not gonna lie guys, I went ham on the first homework assignment. This has gotta be one of my favorites, just don't look at the actual code. 10 out of 10. This one's just ducks. You click the button and there's a new duck. I'll give it a duck out of 10. I was pretty ashamed showing this one in class. It was very boring, but it taught me the basics of particle physics and would later be the building block of my many other projects, so 3 out of 10. I just love my silly little projects. This taught me how to use sprites and how to change button text, and to not make fun of DVD. 10 out of 10. Here we were learning about grids and visual inputs. I just used a bunch of shuckles, don't ask why. 5 out of 10. Alright, let's speed through these ones. The cupcake one, I give a 7 out of 10. These next ones are what I like to call, ooh, that could be an album cover. I'll give these an 8 out of 10. These are 2D shapes that make up a 3D looking shape. Remembering this gives me war flashbacks, but it's super cool and I learned a lot from it. 4 out of 10. I'll let this one speak for itself.
I'm sorry, the Krolman comma, what do you think that is? You know, they have the roses. The roses have the pollen, I know.
So basically it's a Markov chain, and I put the entire B-movie script in it. I'll give it a B out of 10.
Hey look, it's me! Whoa! Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
This one was just a color matching game. It's kind of hard, but I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 90%? Probably my favorite of the semester. This is a particle omnichord, and at least it does not cost $1,000. 10 out of 10. I also made it so when you play it on your phone, it uses your phone's acceleration to move the particles. Anyways, if you're a MICA student, I highly recommend checking out the Interactive Arts department. They make way cooler stuff than me. I never thought I could do any of these things, but now I can, and I can't wait to explore it with my illustration work and explore new ways viewers can interact with my art.